Happy Friday. So we have we just got here in Indiana. Pit conveyor is already in. Just waiting for the welder to come. We didn't bring our welder, so we'll be putting the legs on this a little later. And then we just got a truck that came in with some more equipment here a few minutes ago, and we're gonna get that unloaded here. So we have the vertical mill right here, and the base for it, shredder, turbo mill, and the CMBL 4 and the CMBL 3. So all the equipment looks very small in this building because the building's so huge. It's a nice sized building. Ceiling height is just right for what we need to do. So looking forward to wrapping up this installation here before Christmas. So stay tuned, and we'll show you a video when we got a couple more things in place.